With the internet becoming more and more unsecure, with companies and private corporations as well as governments tracking all of our data almost illegally, it is now a better time than ever to be going ahead and getting a free VPN. And I guarantee you that the best VPN that you could be getting right now is going to be NordVPN. And if you guys want to get completely free NordVPN, I have two working methods for getting completely free NordVPN, as well as a method of getting over 70% off a 2-year plan. So if that sounds interesting, you guys are definitely going to make sure to stick till the end of this video, because on the Xavier channel, I'm dedicated to teaching you how to get almost anything for free. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as turning post notifications on, so you can be the first to know whenever we have a new video. And with that all being said, we're just going to jump right into it. But as always, thank you for watching. So there are currently two ways to be getting a free trial from NordVPN. The first way is for Android users exclusively. If you guys are an Android user, you can go ahead and download NordVPN and get a free 7 days upon signup. That is the first way of getting NordVPN for free, and that will last 7 days. Keep in mind, this is only a per device thing. So unless you have multiple, if you only want to try if you just want to try NordVPN for a small period of time, this is going to be a really good way to do it. But the other way to get NordVPN for completely free is going ahead and using their 30-day money-back guarantee. Basically, what this means is that for 30 days, if you go ahead and reach out to their support agents, you can go ahead and get a refund from your NordVPN subscription. Now, obviously, the problem is that you're going to have to be putting money into NordVPN for that. But honestly, there's no real way around that, provided you want to get the 30-day money-back guarantee. Like I did say, though, you can get that 7 free days. You can get that 7 free days, provided that you go ahead and get NordVPN on the Google Play Store. If you have an Android phone, there is no working method currently right now to do that for it. There is no working method to go ahead and do that for iOS users, so keep that in mind. However, if you guys are looking for a method of getting very cheap NordVPN, all you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the first link down below. You guys are going to want to click on the first link down below, which it is a exclusive link that you're not going to be able to find anywhere else, that you can use right now today to be getting 65% off a 2-year NordVPN plan, as well as 3 months extra. I have personally gotten this plan myself, and I got to tell you guys, NordVPN is really good. NordLocker is also really good, which is their password sharing site, which if you guys are also interested in getting free NordLocker, then make sure to also subscribe to the channel, because I am planning videos about that. I'm also planning videos about Surfshark and a lot of other VPNs that we can go ahead and get for free. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. But as you can see right here, you can get 65% off the 2-year plan with 3 months extra. As you can see, this is nordvpn.com. This is a official link. This is not. This is totally legit. And if I go ahead and press the refresh button, you can see that it still sticks. So I'm not using inspect element. I'm not using anything like that. And if you guys want this plan, all you got to do is you just got to click the first link in the description down below. And on top of that, the 30-day money back guarantee does also apply for this. So if you guys do want to get a refund, all you got to do is either use their chat support widget right here, and you just got to click on it, and you just got to scroll through, and you just got to select that you want a Nord, and you just got to select that you want a Nord refund, or you could go ahead and send them an email. That's also going to be a really good way to do it. But with that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it interesting. Make sure you go ahead and like the video so we can beat out all the other scam videos, because there is a lot of videos, if you go ahead and look up NordVPN, that are complete scams. All they're doing is that they're basically either 1, pumping their own affiliate link, or 2, they're pumping some kind of scam CPA site. So if you guys want to do some good and you want to make sure that none of those videos get pushed, make sure you go ahead and like this video and send it to a friend that has been interested in getting NordVPN. But with that being said, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to click on this one right here. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day.